how are you doing? In today's video, we are going to look into the disturbing haunting of a deeply and popular fishtube couple called Emery and Marcus. This story has recently taken Reddit by storm and left many viewers deeply disturbed. Back in 2020, the couple who go by the screen tag Aquaddiction developed an unhealthy infatuation with fishkeeping YouTube messiah, Cory McElroy, from Aquarium Co-op. They decided to take their obsession to the next level and purchased a personal shrine from CoryShrines.com in the hopes of receiving blessings from the aquarium gods themselves. As the months passed by, the couple took it upon themselves to provide sacrificial offerings of ever-elaborate meals to summon the power of fishkeeping in the hopes of breeding for profit. Little did they know they were unwillingly inviting in an unwelcome guest. As the months went on, several incidents took place while the couple were obliviously filming fishroom tours and other fish-related content that left their viewers unsettled. This is what they caught on camera. Did you see it? Watch carefully again as the pizza box mysteriously opens and closes on its own accord. In a second event that took place in the summer of 2021, while the couple filmed a summer tubbing video with Cory Shrine overseeing the event, they were seemingly not alone. Dogs are known for their heightened sense of supernatural occurrences and often notice something unbeknownst to their owners. Watch as the dog notices something isn't quite right with the Cory Shrine. Did you see it? After each of these events transpired, the YouTube community caught fire, with many fearful viewers leaving comments to point out the disturbances and alert the oblivious couple to the danger they may be in. After the haunting was pointed out, realizing their mistake, the now terrified YouTube couple decided to package up the Cory Shrine and store it out of sight and out of mind in the attic in the hopes the disturbances would cease. A year passed, and no further events were recorded, that is, until the summer of 2023. One night, as the faithful couple relaxed in bed, perusing Aquarium Co-op videos while skipping any from Zenzo, this is what they caught on camera.
What the hell?
Did you see it? As the door mysteriously opens, a face can be seen peering through the gap before vanishing into thin air.
Did you see that, babe? Hello?
Watch what happens next.
Have you got a torch? Have you got a torch, babe? Why is... I'll borrow your torch just for a minute. I swear that the loft... Why is the loft hatch open? The hell?
Did you spot the eerie face looking down at the couple from the attic?
Hello? Are you trying to talk to me?
If things aren't strange enough, stand by as events become increasingly stranger. The shadow of a scary man can be seen watching the events unfold from the garden shed. Just who is this figure, and what does he want?
Why is the garden lights broken? Hello?
Did you hear that? As the couple cautiously make their way down the flight of stairs, they are interrupted by 4 loud knocks emanating from the fish room, but nothing could have prepared them for what transpires next.
The fish room, babe, the fish room lights are on.
Really?
I didn't put them on. What the hell? It's Cory. He's back.
Is it